Hello friend, in this video we are going to upload the build into Play Store. So first we click on create new, then here a few details we need to fill. Okay, so like app name. So already I have written in text file. So just I'm pasting here. Okay, so select it is app or game. So it is app, the free, not paid, and just check this checkbox. Okay, and then click on create app. Once you'll click save, then it will comes to here. The interface will be like that. So you need to go to your dashboard. Okay, and then here you should come to man store listing. In that again you have to fill few details of your application. We have written app name in the first screen, so now no need to write the app name. Here you have to give in the short description and long description. So I have already written here. I am just copying the short description. Okay, yeah, I have to paste it here. So length is 80, so I need to reduce. Okay, then I'm copying the long description. I need to paste it here. Then it should be the 5 into 5, 512 into 512 image. Whenever you this image will show in Play Store. So the size will be 512, 512. Then graphics you have to add while you are giving that link to the any social media platform, then that image will be displayed over here there. So I need to select mm, yeah, this is the image. Okay, if you want some video, if you have, you can use the video also. For phone I have taken the screenshots of mobiles. I am uploading here. You can upload up to 8 images. Okay, size is also there, and if you have tablet then you can, otherwise save it. Once you'll save it, then come to custom store. There no need to change anything. Store listings, no need to change anything. Store setting, here you need to do the app. This is the app, not a game. And what category it's belong, you have to write the categories. I mean, choose the categories. If it is a video player or music player or something, food, uh, anything, beauty, art, design, education, entertainment. Okay, so mine is belongs to music and audio. I have selected. You can use tag also. Then you should write your mail ID and phone number. Phone number not mandatory, but the email is mandatory. You should fill the email field. So I'm selecting here the tags, because tags is a while somebody will search in Play Store. So if you have written the tags, then it will be easy to find the app. And then click apply. After submitting this, uh, you just Come to here, no need, nothing you have to fill. Okay, then there is nothing. You should go up, go to production, create new release. Then for me it was showing some error because of language. So I will delete these languages from my application. Then again I will try to upload. Okay, so yeah, I'm pausing this videos again. Yeah, I have changed this, deleted that language, and we'll check again. Then I think this will be work fine. Wait for few moments. It will depend your internet connection. Yeah, it's uploaded. Now here, whatever you are going to release new feature, you can write here new feature, then save it, then review and release. But right now you are not able to roll out. It's showing me some error. So I'll check that error. I'll go to dashboard. In the dashboard, I need to fill few more details. So I came to dashboard. You can see here dashboard, and here no need to fill this tester all those things because I'm not sharing to any tester internal testing. So go to dashboard, then comes here. See, there are two detail I have filled and 7 is pending. So I need to fill one by one up to 7. Okay, then I'll click over there, click to app access. This detail I need to fill. Yeah, this is full. All the function are able to, people are able to access. There are no restriction. Then go back, come to here. 3 we have filled, and just go to fourth one. This your application contain ads or not, just select yours one, whatever you have. You are going, if you have some ads you can select ads, else no. Okay, save it, go back to dashboard. Then again 4 we have submitted, 3 pending is there. So start content rating. So write your mail ID here, then select what category it's belong your application, education, social networking, games, entertainment, whatever. Okay, then click on next. Save it. Then it's your application going to wireless, no, fear, no, everything. I'm sexuality, no, no, no. There should be no, no, everything is no. We are not going to harm to any things, and we are not uh, doing any illegal things. So we are selecting no, 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 no. Then we should save it. Click on save. Next, and submit it. Fine. Then go to dashboard. Okay, target audience still there. So what is audience you are going to target? 18 plus. So just click on next. So you should be select could your store children. No, or yes, no. Click on next. And save it. Whatever detail you are filling here, later you can change also, no issue. So is your app is related to news or something? You can yes, no, save it. Again, go to dashboard or production. I think there is nothing. We should go to production. Mm, mm, no, not. This one also no. Here you should select country and region. Just select country. So wherever you wanted to publish your application, you should just add this country. Select all. Add it. Okay. So there is 177 countries there. Wherever in that countries your application will be visible. Then go to production and roll out your application. So click on edit release. Then you are able to roll out your application to Play Store. Okay. So a review release. Now it is showing error. I think okay. Country I need to add somewhere. Okay. Here not. Then I need to check in listing review. Mhm. Sure. Go to dashboard. I think we have missed here somewhere. Not this one. Here also we can add the alpha part. So it's not needed, but we are filling, so it should not give error. Okay. Um, then dashboard again we'll check again. So these and all not needed. Let me add here also. Select all, add, click on add. Okay, now I think it's done. Click on edit release, review release. Okay, this time no error. So start rollout to production. Okay, this some warning will be there, no issue. That will not harm to your project. Start rollout to production rollout. Just click on rollout. Yeah, so it's rollout. Now you can go to your all app, and in that you can see it will be in reviews. After few days and few hour, it will show us to this is, you can see this is in review. Once it will publish, then you can see in Play Store.